Hi, I'm Kaustubinge, Managing Partner at Shirkes Windoors, the US uPVC venture from the Shirkes Group. After having served the real estate fraternity in and around Pune for almost a decade through the modular kitchen space, we have now entered into the uPVC fenestration business and trying to serve the uPVC fraternity in and around Pune through our new brand, that is Shirkes Windoors. Fenestration space around the Pune was plagued with poor quality uPVC solutions. To address the same, we have partnered with a German company and have brought in the German technology to the Pune market in the fenestration space. I would like to invite Mr. Shirke, who is the chairman of the Shirkes Group. So, Kiran sir, thanks for giving this opportunity first of all, and I hope we can climb the same heights.
Yes, we will do the best, because this is idea behind this whole idea is from the Kaustubh to enter into this fenestration business, and we are already tied up with so many construction groups in Pune. So we are hoping that we will get the best opportunity by the construction groups in Pune who are already given us opportunity for the kitchens. This whole entire Shirkes group wants to get this thing like Shirkes kitchen. Same thing, Shirkes Windoors should be known to Pune like the Shirkes kitchen only.